Video, I'm going to give you a fly through of Vela OS. Now you'll see I've logged into our cafe, Double Putt Cafe here. When you log into your OS, you'll have your own employer's brand mark here, and of course your own address. So if we just go from left to right, the home screen is here. It's not a great deal of stuff on the home screen. You'll see out-of-date checklists and alerts that you need to complete. And if you have a till integration, you'll also get a till feed here. Let's go to cache. Here we have a cache module where you enter your end-of-day cache counts. You can also review previous end-of-day cache counts and everything to do with your end-of-day reconciliation. Over here we have suppliers. So this is where you'll be placing all of your supplier orders. Got a list of your suppliers here, and if you need to create a new supplier order, unsurprisingly, you click there. Now, just refer to the YouTube video for how-tos on all of these modules. But that's the suppliers stage. Next up, we've got stock takes. So you'll be doing a stock take printout to have a list of everything you need to count for your stock take. And then when it comes to entering it, you click it in stock audits. If you need to transfer stock, you do it there. If you need to request stock from another site, you do it there. And that is where you see any stock that has been requested from other sites to your sites. So this is all about stock takes and stock transfers between sites. If your company publishes news on your OS, then you'll see news here. Production is where you see all of your prep items, your sales products, your outside catering definitions, and also where you have a look at your kitchen build sheets. And if you've got a central production kitchen, where you order your central production items from. If your brand does quality checks, then this is where you'll see your quality checklist. Moving on to compliance, we have an accident book, our brand checklists, our temperature sheets, our daily Safer Food, Better Business checklist and monthly checklist, and any store compliances that you might have booked into your OS, like perhaps a espresso machine boiler test that happens once a year. Next up we have property, and here you'll be able to see a list of all of your equipment, and if you buy a new piece of equipment, for example a fridge, which may require temperature monitoring, you log it here and tick the box that says require temperature monitoring. That way it'll automatically appear on your compliance temperature sheet. We've also got a maintenance log, so if ever anything goes wrong on in your site, like a fridge breaking down, like a door not being able to be locked, like a window being broken, you record it in your maintenance logs, which I have pressed by accident, which I shouldn't have pressed. Moving on to store management, this is where you'll see store opening hours. Employment, you'll be able to view every member of your team. If you have manager access, you can also view requested holidays, you book a holiday, you view your rota, and so on and so on. In your account, this is where you would change your password, request a holiday, view your rota, etc. So under employment, that's your site's rota, but your account section is where you do the requesting. This is where you enter your information, your address, etc., where you can view appraisals, training records, and view your employee safety handbook. Final section is reporting, which again, depending on what sort of access you have to your system, will be all sorts of different reports, like stock take reports, timekeeping reports, all sorts of things like that. Your customers is where you log your outside catering customers. And videos is where you can access the how-to videos for Vela OS, but increasingly we're using YouTube as a one-stop shop for all the videos with playlists mirroring the different tabs at the top. And that is a fly-through of Vela OS, your one-stop shop for all your site's operational needs. Thanks very much.